Hey Tim, long time no see.
Hi, Lisa. Yeah, it's been a while.
How was your family trip?
It was amazing. We went to Hawaii for a week.
Wow, Hawaii. That sounds like a dream.
It really was. The beaches were so beautiful.
Did you go swimming every day?
Almost. We swam, snorkeled, and even tried surfing.
Surfing? That's cool. Were you good at it?
Not really. I fell off the board many times.
Where did you stay?
At a hotel near the beach. It had a big pool and ocean view.
Sounds nice. How was the food?
Delicious. We had tropical fruits, fresh fish, and pancakes every morning.
Yum. I love pancakes. Did you try any local dishes?
Yes, I tried poke bowls. They were so fresh and tasty.
Did anything funny happen during your trip?
Yes. My dad lost his sunglasses in the ocean.
Oh no,
He jumped into a wave, and when he came out, no glasses.
that's classic. Anything else?
My little brother tried to build a sandcastle, but the waves kept washing it away.
Poor guy. But that's such a cute memory.
Yeah, we laughed a lot. It was really fun.
Did you go sightseeing?
Yes, we visited a volcano park and saw lava rocks.
Wow, that must have been amazing.
It was. We also went hiking to a waterfall.
That sounds like a lot of walking.
It was, but the view was worth it.
I bet. Did you take lots of pictures?
Oh, hundreds. My phone memory is almost full.
How was the flight back home?
Long but okay. I watched 2 movies on the plane.
Nice. Did you feel tired when you got home?
Super tired. We all went to bed early that night.
Jet lag is the worst.
Yeah, but it was totally worth it.
Sounds like your family had a great time.
We did. It was nice to spend time together.
Family trips are special like that.
Exactly. We made so many memories.
Do you want to go back someday?
Definitely. Next time, I want to learn to surf better.
I'll come with you. We can learn together.
Deal. Let's start saving money now.
Good idea. Thanks for sharing your trip story, Tim. It sounds wonderful.
Thanks, Lisa. I'm glad we caught up today.
Me too. Let's meet again soon.
Sure. Next time, I want to hear about your trip.
You got it. See you next time.
Bye, Lisa.
Hey, Tim, it's been a week since you came back.
I know. Time flies so fast.
So, are you still thinking about Hawaii?
Every single day. I miss the beach and the sunsets.
I saw your photos on Instagram. They were beautiful.
Thanks. I took so many pictures. My phone storage is full.
Was it hard to go back to normal life?
Yeah, a little. I kept waking up early because of jet lag.
Oh no. Did it take long to adjust?
About 3 days. Then I was fine.
Did your family feel the same way?
My dad slept all day the first 2 days. Here, let me show you more photos.
Oh, nice. That's your hotel, right?
Yes, look at this pool.
Wow, it looks amazing. Did you swim there every day?
Almost. Sometimes we just relax by the pool with smoothies.
That's the dream.
And this one, that's the waterfall we hiked to.
That's so pretty. How long was the hike?
About 2 hours, but totally worth it.
Did you buy any souvenirs?
Of course. I got t-shirts, magnets, and a small ukulele.
A ukulele. That's cute. Can you play it?
Not yet, but I want to learn.
You should make a video playing it next time.
Maybe when I can play one song.
So what was your favorite part of the trip?
Probably the sunset on the last day.
That sounds so peaceful.
Yeah, we sat on the beach and watched the sky turn pink and orange.
That sounds perfect.
It really was. I felt so happy and calm.
Did your family get along the whole time?
Mostly. My brother complained about walking too much.
That's typical.
But we also laughed a lot and played games at night.
That's nice. It's good to spend real time together.
Exactly. No phones, no work, just us.
So, where do you want to go next?
Maybe Japan or Italy.
Wow, good choices.
I want to see cherry blossoms in Japan.
And eat sushi, right?
Of course. And you? Where do you want to travel?
I want to visit Europe, maybe Paris or London.
That sounds amazing. Let's plan a trip together someday.
You know, traveling really opens your mind.
I totally agree. You see new things and meet new people.
And you come back with stories to tell.
Exactly. That's what makes it special.
I think that's why I love listening to your travel stories.
Next time, it'll be your turn to tell me yours.
So, what's next on your schedule today?
I need to unpack, again. I still haven't finished laundry.
Same here. I always wait too long.
But maybe I'll make some Hawaiian pancakes later.
Yum! You should invite me next time.
Sure. Pancakes and travel stories. Perfect combo.
Talking to you makes me want to travel too.
Then let's plan something soon.
Deal. See you next week.